Chase offers 4 convenient methods to turn off your credit card autopay. Each method provides flexibility depending on your preference and situation. Here are your 4 options: online banking through Chase.com, the Chase mobile app, calling customer service, or visiting a branch in person. Method 1: online banking. This is the most popular digital option, allowing you to manage autopay settings from any computer or web browser. First, log into Chase.com using your username and password. Navigate to the Pay and Transfer section, which you can see highlighted here in the interface. Method 2: the Chase mobile app. This method has been enhanced in 2025 with a more streamlined interface, making it even easier to manage your autopay settings on the go. Open the Chase mobile app and navigate to your credit card account. Tap Pay and Transfer, then select Autopay to access your automatic payment settings. Method 3: phone support. Call Chase customer service at 1-800-432-3117. This option is perfect if you prefer speaking with a representative or need additional assistance. When you call, have your account information ready. The representative will verify your identity and process your autopay cancellation request. You'll receive a confirmation number for your records. Method 4: visit a Chase branch. This traditional approach allows you to speak face-to-face with a banker who can help you cancel autopay and answer any questions about your account. Bring a valid ID and be prepared to provide your account information. The banker will complete an autopay cancellation form and process your request immediately. As of 2025, Chase has significantly enhanced its digital management tools, making the online and mobile app methods faster and more user-friendly than ever before. Choose the method that works best for your situation and preferences. When canceling Chase Autopay, timing is crucial. There are specific cutoff times and processing delays you need to understand to avoid unexpected charges. Changes made after 8 p.m. Eastern Time may not take effect until the next business day. This means your scheduled payment could still go through even after you think you've canceled it. Additionally, allow 1 to 2 business days for autopay cancellation to fully process. This processing time is important to keep in mind when planning your payment strategy. Now, let's examine the financial risks associated with canceling autopay. Understanding these risks will help you make an informed decision about your payment strategy. Canceling autopay significantly increases your risk of late payments. Late fees typically range from $29 to $40 per occurrence, which can add up quickly if you miss multiple payments. More importantly, missed payments can negatively impact your credit score. Even one late payment can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years, potentially affecting your ability to get loans or favorable interest rates. Given these risks, let's explore the best practices and security measures you should follow when managing your autopay settings. Consider using a hybrid approach to payment management. Keep minimum payment autopay active as a safety net while making additional manual payments to pay your full balance. This protects you from late fees while giving you control over your cash flow. If you do cancel autopay completely, set up manual payment reminders on your phone or calendar. This helps ensure you never miss a payment due date. Finally, here are essential security practices to follow when making any changes to your autopay settings. Always log out of your online banking session after making changes. Save any confirmation numbers you receive and monitor your account statements to verify that the cancellation took effect as expected. Following these timing considerations, understanding the financial risks and implementing proper security practices will help you successfully manage your Chase autopay settings while protecting your financial health and credit score.